In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Spotify Desktop offline. If you want to listen to your music without an internet connection, the good news is that Spotify makes this pretty simple on the desktop app. Before we get into the actual setup, there's one important requirement to know. Offline listening on Spotify Desktop only works if you have a premium account. If you're using a free account, this feature won't be available. To check that, start by opening the Spotify Desktop app. Once it's open, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From there, go to Account and confirm that your plan shows premium. This is the first thing to verify because everything else depends on it. Once you've confirmed that you have premium, the next step is to download the music you want to hear offline. In the Spotify Desktop app, find the song, album, or playlist you want to save. Open it, then look for the download button. Depending on what you're viewing, this may appear as a down arrow icon or a toggle switch. Turn that on, then give Spotify a little time to finish the download. You'll know it worked when the indicator turns green. That green status is what tells you the content has been downloaded successfully and is ready for offline playback. After your music is downloaded, you can switch Spotify into offline mode. To do that, click your profile icon again in the top right corner and open Settings. Scroll until you find offline mode, then turn that toggle on. This tells Spotify to play only the content you've already downloaded, which is exactly what you want when you're without internet access. Now that offline mode is enabled, go to your library and open one of your downloaded playlists or albums. Click play, and your music should start normally, even without an internet connection. Just make sure you're choosing content that has already been downloaded, since anything that hasn't been saved won't be available offline. There's also one optional setting that can improve your experience. In Settings, find audio quality and choose high or very high if you want better sound for your offline listening. Keep in mind that higher quality downloads can take up more storage space, but they can sound noticeably better. A few final tips. Downloading over Wi-Fi is usually faster and helps you avoid extra data use. It's also a good idea to open Spotify from time to time so your downloads can stay updated. And remember, downloaded songs remain available as long as you log in at least once every 30 days. That's how to play Spotify Desktop offline.